wind chill warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Friday. What? For the winter storm warning, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 30 below zero. Where? Portions of southern Illinois, southwest Indiana, and western Kentucky. When? For the winter storm warning, from 2 p.m. this afternoon to midnight tonight. For the wind chill warning, from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Friday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details. Isolated higher amounts of snow cannot be ruled out if heavier snow bands develop. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves.